Hello children, how are you all? Shall we continue with our maths work? We shall continue with our previous video on two-digit numbers. Children, in our previous class we had learnt place values shown on abacus sticks. So as shown here, in this particular abacus, the stick of ones has 9 beads and the stick of tens has 0 beads. So the number ends up with 9. And here in another example we can see 2 sticks with the 10 sticks having 3 beads and 1 stick having 5 beads. So the number becomes 35. Shall we do an exercise on the abacus? Write the place value. Seeing the abacus and the beads, we need to count the beads on the abacus sticks and write the place value of these numbers. Fine? So shall we start off? Children, I shall be writing in black pen for your visibility. But you will continue with your pencils only. Okay? Shall we start? 4 in this abacus. So where is 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is on the ones stick. So 4 in this abacus is ones. Okay, 4 is on the ones stick. 9 in this abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this can't be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is on the tens place. Then we have is 7 in the abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this should be 7 is on the ones stick. The next exercise, write the place value of these digits in the number. So on which place value is number 5 in 59? It is in the tens place. 8 in 18 is on ones place. 2 in 24 is tens place. 3 in 63 is ones place. 1 in 13 is tens place. And again 4 in 49 is tens place again. 9 in 89, ones place. 9 in 96, tens place. And finally 6 in 96 is correct, ones place. So did you all understand with the tens and ones place, children? Yes. Shall we turn our page? Please turn your page, children. On page number 7, we can find and learn something like odd and even numbers. What are odd numbers and what are even numbers? Numbers wherein the ones place ends up with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. In ones place, it becomes odd number. And numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place is even number. Shall we watch a small video on the same topic, odd and even numbers, to understand better, children?
Today, let's learn even and odd numbers with Ozzy the Owl. Good morning, everybody. Let us begin our lesson today by understanding what even numbers and odd numbers are. All numbers with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. Let us see an example. Look at the number 12. Number 12 has 2 in the ones place. So, it is an even number.
Did you know Objects even in number can always be grouped into twos. Let me show you how. There are 12 feathers. We know that 12 is an even number. Hence, these 12 feathers can be grouped into twos as shown.
Now, let us understand the meaning of odd numbers. All numbers with the digits 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Look at the number 17. Number 17 has 7 in the ones place, so it is an odd number.
Kids, objects odd in number cannot be grouped into twos. One object is always left. Let me show you how. There are 11 feathers. We know that 11 is an odd number. So, here, when we group these 11 feathers into twos, one feather will be left alone.
I hope you all are clear on even and odd numbers now, children. So shall we start with an exercise on the next page, page number 8. In the first main it says, ring the objects in pairs. Write if the number of objects is odd or even. In pairs means always a pair has 2. So here 2 buttons make one pair. Shall we do the next one? Yes. The next set is again a pair of 2 buttons and again a pair of 2 buttons. So there is no one left. There is no remainder. So now this is a even number. Next, we shall group them. One pair of 2 buttons, one pair of another 2 buttons, but there is one left. It doesn't have a pair. It doesn't have a partner. So it is a odd number. So we have 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 5 and 6 pairs. So there is no number or button left alone. So this is also an even number. In the second main, here are the numbers from 1 to 30. Ring the odd numbers in blue. Ring the even numbers in red. So you shall use your sketch pens, blue and red here. Are you all ready, children? I shall be using a blue pen and a red pen. So you can use a blue or a red pen or sketch pens. So shall we start? First 4 digits are done for us. The blue is odd number. 2 which is circled in red is even. Again 3 circled in blue is odd. 4 circled with red is even. So shall we continue? First we shall finish up with the odd numbers. So we shall be using blue pen first. 5, 7. Start counting with me, children. I want you to say this loudly. 9, good. 11, 13, 15, 17, 18, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. So these were the odd numbers. Now we shall use the red pen to circle the even numbers. Start counting. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and finally 30. The next main says fill in the missing even numbers in order. We have to write it in order. So shall we start, children? 6, 8. After 8 it is 10. Good. 10, 12, 14. 16 is already given for us. 18. 20 is also already given. 22. 24. 26. 28. 30. 32. 34. 36. 38. 40. 42 and 44. The same thing, but this is odd number. Fill in the missing odd numbers in order. Please write these in pencil itself, children. 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41 is given, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69. So by this we have learnt and finished an exercise on odd and even numbers. So shall we turn the page, children? On our next page, we are going to learn before, after and between numbers. And there is already a number strip given to us here from 0 to 20. We shall see this number strip and fill up these boxes here. So shall we continue, children? Before we continue with the exercise, we shall just warm up. That is, 3 comes after 2. This is 3. So this 3 comes after 2. After you finish writing 2, only you will write 3. So 3 comes after 2. 2 comes before 3. So 2 you will be writing before writing 3. In the number strip 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. You will write 2 before writing 3. So 2 comes before 3. 16 comes after 15. 16 is here. So this 16 number comes after 15. After 15 only 16 comes. 16 comes before 17. So 17 is here. After writing 16 only you will be writing 17. So 16 comes before 17. Then 16 is between 15 and 17. Between 15 and 17 we can see that 16 lays. So 16 is between 15 and 17. Shall we do this small exercise, children? We shall fill in the box. Shall we fill up the after numbers here? So what number comes after 4? 4 is here. After 4, what will come? So after 4, we shall write 5. So this is 4. After you finish writing 4, what is the next number that you will write is 5. After 14, it is 15. After 46, 47, 76, 77, 28, 29, 48, 49, 39, 40, 50, 51, 87, 88. So any number that comes forward are after numbers. Now any number that comes backward are before numbers. What do we write before 63 is 62. 53 is 52. 87, 17, 31, 11, 39, 69 and 90. The next one is between numbers. After 25 but before 27 comes 25, 26, 27, 45, 46, 47, 30, 31, 32. After 60, 61, 44, 66, 19, 79, 57. Question number 4 says, Salma has read 60 pages of a book. The page she has to read next is, which is a page that she has to read next? Correct, it is 61. Harjit's father is 52 years old. Last year he was what years old? So last year he will be 1 year less. So backward is 51 years old. So by this we have finished this exercise. Shall we turn the page, children? Please turn your page. On this page, children, we are going to learn comparison of numbers. That is, which is number greater and which is the number which is smaller. Bigger and smaller numbers. Before we learn, we need to learn 3 rules for this bigger and smaller. First of all, a 2-digit number is bigger than a 1-digit number. So any 2-digit numbers when compared with 1-digit number is bigger than the single-digit number. For example, 25 has 2 digits. 8 is only 1 digit. So 25 is greater than 8 or bigger than 8. Similarly, 8 is smaller than 25. So on the abacus, it is shown here in this way, wherein on the ones abacus stick, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the 10 stick, there are 2. So this becomes 25. Whereas here, the 10 says 0, but the ones has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads. So here it is only single digit, that is 8. That is why it is told 2-digit number is always bigger than 1-digit number. Next is rule number 2. In 2-digit numbers, the number with the greater tens digit is greater. That means to say, on the tens stick of the abacus, whichever is more is a greater number, whichever is less is smaller number. For example, here 87 and 24, wherein 8 is bigger than 2. That is the reason 87 is bigger or greater than number 24. On this abacus, you can find that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads on the tens stick and only 1, 2 beads on the tens stick. So when we compare the tens, whichever is the bigger number will become the bigger number, greater number, and whichever is smaller becomes the smaller number. The final rule, rule number 3, in 2-digit numbers with the same tens digit, the number with greater ones digit is greater. That means to say, here we had seen in rule number 2, 2 different numbers with 2 different tens. But in rule number 3, what if the numbers on the tens are same, like 67 and 65? Both the 10 sticks has 6 each beads. So which is greater? In this case, we compare the ones. Here, one stick, we compare this. Ones, whichever is bigger number will be greater and the small number will be smaller. So here, on 67 and 65, 7 is bigger than 5. That is why 67 is greater than 65 or 65 is smaller than 67. To understand better, we shall do a small exercise. With this exercise, we shall know better the use of greater than sign and smaller than sign. So here first one, 18 and 31. Here we are going to use the rule number 2, wherein the tens should be bigger. 18 and 31. So 3, 1. 3 is bigger than 1. So we use the smaller symbol. 18 is smaller than 31. The left hand, this kind of symbol is smaller. The right hand, this kind of symbol will be greater. So here 18 is smaller than 31. 33, 44. Again rule number 2, wherein the tens are compared and 4 is bigger than 3, so it is 33 smaller than 44. 24, 64. 24 again is smaller than 64. 22, 68. 22 is smaller than 68. 34 and 72. 34 is smaller than 72. 60 and 70. 60 is smaller than 70. 42 and 16. Here 42 is greater than 16. 85, 40. 85 is greater than 40. 28, 82. 28 is smaller than 82. 36 is smaller than 63. Here we use the rule number 1, wherein this is only one digit and here 2 digits are there. So we say that the 2 digit is bigger, the 8 is smaller, single digit. So 8 is smaller than 81. 20 is smaller than 29. 10 is smaller than 11. 41 is bigger than 14. 75 is bigger than 65. And finally 17 is smaller than 71. We shall continue with the next page on the next video, children. Take care. Thank you.